Hey, I'm Cesar from Chatwith. Today we are going to do a demo step by step from zero to show you how you create a widget, how you assign agents, how you start getting leads into your WhatsApp. Okay, so this is a slowly, surely, but it's to go with you like step by step. So this is the control panel you have when you access your account. In this control panel, you will see data about leads, hits, who is accessing your account, new leads, all that. Okay, this is for you to understand what's happening, what is working, what is not working, and so on. Let's go to widgets, create, and we are going to create a new widget. Okay, we are going to do it from scratch. In the first setting, we need to have a name. Let's say this is a plumbers, John Plumbers. Okay, and we are here to help you and book me with WhatsApp. Okay, we can do something like that. We can choose a logo. I mean, we can upload our own logo if we have it. If not, we can choose one from this library. Let's say we choose it's a plumber. We choose this icon. Okay, and this is the widget. The widget is the, let's say, the module that is going to help us capture the leads. Okay, we click save. Now we need to add the agent. The agent is the phone number we are going to use. Okay, so we put here the phone number. It's a phone number. We can choose the face of the agent. Let's say we like this one, for example. Going to be Cesar. There are other fields, but we don't need to do it now. Okay, for now, let's focus on just creating the widget. So this is the agent. Let's go back to the widget so we see how this is working. Okay, this is beautiful. It's done. Step one complete. So now this what happens here when we click on the widget, we go straight to WhatsApp. Okay, that's it. That's super simple. No, there is anything else. What information we have here? We have, let's say what we have here. We have views, clicks, leads. Okay, this is information we are going to start recording. How we add this widget to our website? We click here, we copy, we go to our website, and we put this code in the header of the HTML. Okay, like here, like in this example. Let's do it together so you see how this works. Let's say this is our website. Let's say this is HTML, plain simple HTML. Now we can do something with WordPress so you can see how that works. Let's connect to this website. Okay, we go here, we open. And here in the header, okay, this is the header. We remove this one, we put this one, we save, we upload, we come back here, and this is our widget. Okay, so easy, it's working, we like it, this is nice. Let's say we don't like the design. This design is not what we want to do. We go to the design section. We have this theme, the bubble, that I love it, and we can change the color to maybe red, like this one. We save, and now we have this new widget that is already updated in our website. So this goes automatically. I mean, once you have the code in your website, this goes automatically back and forth. Now let's say, hey, this is nice, I like it, but I want to capture some information about the user before going to WhatsApp. So we can add a form. So let's add this form. We ask for name, email, WhatsApp number. Okay, fantastic. Let's activate. Now what happens is in our widget, when we click, before going to WhatsApp, we have this form. So we can say, Cesar, this is my email, this is my phone number. When I click on WhatsApp, I go to WhatsApp. Okay, we send information to WhatsApp, so that's going to WhatsApp. But also we create a lead. If we go here, now we have a lead. Okay, so the same, easy, is working. This is nice. Let's say you don't have a website, you just need a simple landing page. We go to landing page, we choose the default theme. I mean, right now we don't want to do anything crazy. This is John Plumbers. Okay, this is nice. This is my URL. We can put some text here. We are a plumber business in New York. We click generate. This is working with AI, so we can create the text using AI. We don't need to even type it. So let's click save. Okay, now we have this beautiful landing page, super simple with the text, but we can say, hey, I want something a bit nicer. Okay, let's change the theme to light, for example, and we need an image. Okay, the same, we can use AI plumber working in New York City. We use AI to create the image for our landing page. So the same, simple, easy, free. You can use all this. Okay, beautiful plumber image. We click save, and now we have, what is the image? It's loading. I mean, as you can see, the image looks pretty stunning, right? I mean, this is a very cool image of the plumber. So this is going to be like a beautiful, responsive a landing page for your local business. This works great. The read more is here, the form is here, this to share in social is here. All that, I mean, we are 8 minutes. We have done a couple of landing pages, the widget, the form, the lead generation, the text, all that, without even suffering that much. There are other themes here. Okay, and let's say, hey, I want to have a countdown. No, let's say I have some promotion, I have an event, I have whatever. So let's put a countdown here. Let's put, this is going to be tomorrow. Save. Now we have a countdown with 23 hours, 52 minutes, going down. The same, simple, easy. We go to the landing page, is here. We go to the website, is also here. So this is updating everywhere automatically. I mean, you can work in your widget, you can do everything you need, and you send this to to your websites, to your landing pages, knowing this is going to work just as you want. As you can imagine, there are plenty more things you can do here. I mean, we just went through widgets and create and edit. This is what is also beautiful about our solution is unlimited. Unlimited means unlimited. You can create as many widgets as you need. You can create as many agents as you need. You can create as many landing pages as you need. So this is truly unlimited. When you create one, you can go here and clone. Clone means you're going to make a copy. This is the new copy. And so let's say instead of John Plumbers is John Moving Company. We change the logo, we put the card, everything works well. We click save, we go to the agent, we change the phone number, no, because this is another company. It's not Cesar, it's Paul. We click save, and we have, a landing page, a widget, a form, everything working. And you just need to clone, your widgets. And each widget can belong to a different company. So that's the same, completely up to you. I will make another video explaining how to share access to each widget independently for your clients. Okay, so this is another video. This is just to focus on widgets, creation, design, landing pages, and agents. Can I have one more? Can I have, more than one agent in a widget? Yes. Why you need this? Let's say I have an agent that is Caesar, but I have another agent that is Mary, payments and invoicing. I put the phone number here. It's a phone number, and payments and invoicing. We update. So we can have two agents. One is for, let's put Cesar is sales and support. And the other agent is for, payments and invoicing. What happens when I go to the widget? What happens when I go to this landing page? Now I have two agents, okay? Payments and sales. The same, this is up to you. In the widget looks like that. Okay, two agents, I can contact Mary or I can contact Caesar. One with a form, the other without the form. That can be a direct click to WhatsApp. So you can create different agents with different behavior, different roles, different rules, different everything, different phone numbers, of course. I mean, each agent in each widget can have a different phone number. So you need to think about, you're going to serve unlimited clients inside one account. You can serve unlimited clients, unlimited agents, unlimited businesses, unlimited everything. Why? Because we want to really help you. We want to really give you the best tool for your business and for your clients and for your friends and for your community and for your, we really want to help as much as you can. Okay, so that's the idea. You can create one account and everything becomes unlimited. Okay, so hope this tutorial helps you. This is it's been 13 minutes. It's a long tutorial, but we really want to go step by step so you understand what we do, you understand how we work, you understand how we can help you. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.